Hey, friend. Y'all, Blue ColourPop sent me the Korra collection. My bad, I got a little too excited, but yeah, this is the newest collection from ColourPop, the Legend of Korra girl. And yeah, so here's, it doesn't look that exciting, but I promise you these products are gorgeous. Hold on, bestie, give me. Okay, bestie, so here are the first two products. These are the Fresh Kiss lip creams. And this is my first time ever using their lip cream formula from ColourPop. And they gave us two really pretty contrasting colors. So you get like a deep maroon, like wine color. And then, you know, like their typical brown, dusty, pinky brown color. And here, oh, whoop, about to drop it. So here are the swatches. So this one is called Loyal Friend. And this one is Partner in Crime. So yeah, very pretty. They go on pretty sheer, not too sheer, but sheer. I think they will be buildable, especially if you put a lip liner on underneath it. What am I trying to say? You know what I'm trying to say. You can build it up with a lip liner. Anyway, next two products are their graphics ink liners. We get a blue and a brown. And the blue one is called Korrasami. That's what it looks like right there, Korrasami. And the brown one is this one, Heart to Heart. So no, it's not Korrasami. It is Korrasami. So sorry, Korrasami and Heart to Heart. So yeah, really pretty. Let me show you what they look like. That's Korrasami. And this is Heart to Heart. I like that they included brown because a lot of makeup collections don't include brown liquid liners. They include, you know, like brown lip pencils and eyeliners, but not liquid liners. So ColourPop, good for you. I like that. Keep it going. Okay, so next up is the Super Shock highlighter. This is called Spirit Wilds. Very pretty. It's inspired by the cute little Pokemon looking animals on the show. So yeah, really pretty. When you swirl them all together, it gives you like a really pretty gold, because you know it has more gold in it, but yeah, really pretty swatch together. Very very glittery too. So if you like that kind of highlighter, bestie, this is for you and for me, because I love glitter as a highlight. You know that I like to glow. I like to look like a disco ball. That's my life mission, to look like a disco ball. Yeah. Next up are the 4 liquid chrome eyeshadows, and bestie, these are gorgeous. My camera is not going to do them justice, but yes, this is fire, water, earth, and air. And if you know anything about chrome eyeshadows, you know the different angles will show you different colors. Super pretty. And last but not least is this gorgeous eyeshadow palette. I'm so happy we get more colors this time, especially greens to represent the earthbending. But yeah, bestie, definitely stay tuned, because you know I'm going to turn out looks, and I'm going to do a look for every single element. So stay tuned.